mattresses came out. Stay focused here.
What you doing, Lola?
They came out. They were
You're about to knock it over.
Social services show up.
You're doing it. You're doing it. What are you doing? You gonna get mad at the box? Tell it. Ooh. What are you doing? Stop it. What are you gonna do when you get done with that? Oh, and now it's packet tape. Oh yeah, you can pull it now. Oh, chewing on it, huh? What, is that your helping? Lola, stop. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. What are you gonna do about it? Dog. It's gonna fall in 2 seconds. Oh, it's about to fall. I hope there's nothing fragile in there. This is what she does to help me. God. Lola? Are you chewing on my box? Don't chew on the box. Uh-oh. Alright. We had enough fun? Lola. Lola. Alright, that's enough. No more. No more. Leave it. Lola. Leave it. Now what are you going to do? You're stuck. What are you going to do? No more chewing. Thank you.